Grabe na talaga ang kapal ng mukha ni George Garcia. Kasi nga, tinaon nila. On the last day, on the proclamation date, June 30, nagpalabas ng desisyon ang COMELEC and Bank, no, nullifying the COC or the candidacy of Joey Uy. Kasi, pag tumawid pa yan at hindi na pagdesisyonan ng COMELEC and Bank, by July 1st, si Bene Abante ay dapat magpoprotesta na doon sa House Electoral Tribunal at uupo na kinatawan ng 6th District of Manila, si Joey Uy. Kaya talagang minadali nila on the last day, no? On the morning of June 30, inilabas yung COMELEC and Bank decision ratifying the decision of the second division, certifying with finality yung pag-nullify nitong kandidatura ni Joey Uy na talaga namang nanalo at pinili ng mga tao ng 6th District of Manila.